Welcome to Brownlows, new edition today, very rare car, 7-seater, turbo diesel, 41,000 miles, Tourneo Connect Ford van, 12,995, no VAT, where'd you get them? Inside the van we have the full velour trim. Like I say, this is a 7-seater, 6-speed manual, air conditioning, CD player, Bluetooth, multifunction steering wheel, auto lights. This car will not be here by Sunday, it'll be gone. 41,000 miles. Where'd you get them? Come and ask for Dave.
Welcome to Brownlows Cars. If you're looking for great savings on quality used cars, be sure to like, subscribe, for more updates on our latest stock and amazing deals. Join the Brownlows Cars family today.
Brownlow Cars, the name you can trust. 351 Haughton Road, Darlington, DO1 2BP, 01325 484 870.